Looking for that perfect watch that gives you an excellent blend of quality and class, but yet a minimalist look that doesn't draw too much attention? Then Samsung has the right one for you.
Really?
Really?
The Galaxy Watch 6 series set to make its debut this year promises nothing but the very best. And what features are to be expected to come with the Watch 6?
Let's get started.
Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Review. Design. The design of the Galaxy Watch 5 has a sporty yet refined look. It has a flat display with sapphire crystal glass. The bottom of the Galaxy Watch 5 has a curved design which creates more surface area for the watch-to-skin contact, which Samsung says helps to take accurate data.
Has an increased surface area, which makes more contact with your wrist, helping it provide more accurate readings.
The Galaxy Watch 5 still feels good on the wrist and doesn't weigh much. The flat design surface is prone to scratches since there are no protective coverings around it. The rotating bezels that most users liked weren't present in the Watch 5, which got a lot of people talking. The Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to have a circular display and Gorilla Glass. This new design will set the Watch 6 apart from its predecessors and give off a classy look. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro specs indicate it will also house a circular display with sapphire crystal glass and a titanium body to finish the look. This design will turn heads anywhere you go. There are also rumors of the rotating bezels making an appearance again.
It's quite cool.
Fingers crossed.
What OS do you think the Galaxy Watch 6 will operate on? Software. The Galaxy Watch 5 operates on the One UI Watch interface alongside Google's Wear OS. You can make or receive phone calls loud and clear without any compromises. Paired with the company's own 5nm Exynos W920 chipset offers excellent performance and power efficiency features. There was no go slow throughout its usage. For a non-Galaxy phone user, you are limited to many things. For instance, the camera app is not on the Watch 5, so you can only access it on the Watch 5 if you are a Galaxy user. Also, the health monitor that is needed to check your ECG and blood pressure is not installed on the Watch 5 but can only be accessed through a Samsung Galaxy phone. The Galaxy Watch 6 series will most likely run Google's Wear OS alongside Samsung's One UI software as well, but with bigger and better improvements.
That's cool.
Hoping the new interface will go easy on non-Galaxy phone users. For more news and updates on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, please subscribe to the channel. The bioactive sensors on the Watch 6 are coming with some upgrades you wouldn't want to miss. Bioactive Sensors. The health tracking app on the Watch 5 has an array of bioactive sensors that helps track your sleep and gives you meaningful tips on a good rest. They also track your blood pressure, heart rate, and overall body composure. Daily tracking of your workouts is also available and consistently good as well. The health tracking app on the Galaxy Watch 5 is one of the best so far. The Galaxy Watch 6 leaks, as far as we know, will house the same health tracking features as the Watch 5. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, on the other hand, will come with significant improvements in the health tracking app that will set it apart from the rest. The newest addition to the family is an accelerometer that checks the intensity of human movements. Whatever that is meant for, we will leave that for you. There is a temperature sensor and a barometer for checking the air pressure in and around the body, and a gyro sensor is there to detect angular rotational velocity and acceleration. There are light sensors. All these improvements to ensure you are fit and well at all times. How long will the Galaxy Watch 6 series last? Battery. The 410 mAh battery of the Galaxy Watch 5 was excellent.
Awesome, right?
It can take you 2 full days before dying off. We are looking at 48 to 50 hours of battery life.
That's cool.
Within an hour and a few minutes, your Galaxy Watch 5 is charged and ready for us, but you can also achieve 45% battery life from zero in 30 minutes.
Wow! That's amazing!
The Watch 5 Pro packed a bigger 590 mAh battery that can last 72 hours on a single charge. We were in love with all the battery performances both models had to offer. With the always-on display, the battery life of both devices was threatened. The Watch 5 could manage only a day and a half, while the Watch 5 Pro manages 60 hours. Which should be worked upon so that battery life stays at its maximum whether with always on display or not. The Galaxy Watch 6 is rumored to house a 417 mAh battery, while the Watch 6 Pro will house a 425 mAh battery. According to an online listing from a regulator in China spotted by Sam Mobile, the 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 SM R940/SM R945 and the 46mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic SM R960/SM R965 will use the same battery. It has a rated capacity of 417 mAh and a typical capacity of 425 mAh. Although these aren't the upgrades we were expecting, these are just figures. The real doubts will come when we have it in our hands and then test it to see its natural strengths and all the improvements it comes with. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to like and share this video. All our expectations about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 were not met. Especially on the display and camera design. Will this affect the demand for this highly anticipated high-end foldable? Then watch our next video for more.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.